Hi, I'm Lori, Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I'm at our newest listing at 289 Brookfield Street. Come on in and take a look around. You walk in to a nice foyer with hardwood floors, 2 closets, fur coats or a pantry, into a huge living room with fireplace, and they have a beautiful fireplace with a raised hearth, nice bright windows, and it leads into the kitchen and dining area. Check out this kitchen. It's been completely remodeled, tiled flooring, and smooth texture ceilings with so many recessed light that'll brighten up any day or night. Check out the under cabinet lighting with beautiful tile backsplash, granite countertops, with cherry cabinets, pullouts in the pantry, center aisle breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, double sinks. This has public water, public sewer, and gas heat. It has an attic fan, newer tilt-in windows, nice siding, and a young roof. When you're ready to entertain your family, check out this area. You have a beautiful patio, a really nice crystal clear pool. It's already opened and ready for your summer fun. There's Trex decking and vinyl posts and a very large level backyard. It's in a wonderful South Windsor neighborhood that anybody would enjoy. There's first floor laundry with 2.5 bathrooms. A master suite. So if you'd like to come check out this beautiful property at 289 Brookfield Street, give us a call at 860-618-6233 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. We hope to hear from you. Have a great day.